In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on Binance using the latest version of the app. First, open the Binance app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left or top right corner to open your account page. Next, tap Settings, then go to Security or Account Security. The name can vary slightly by region. Here you'll see options like email, phone number, and two-factor authentication. Tap on Email or Change Email. Binance will first confirm it's really you. It will ask for several security codes, usually a code sent to your current email, a phone message that gives code or Google Authenticator code if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Enter all the codes carefully and tap Next/Confirm. Now you can enter your new email address. Type it in, then tap Get Code. Binance will send a verification code to your new email. Open the message, copy the code, go back to the app, and paste it in. Finally, tap Confirm. If all the codes are correct, your Binance login email will be updated to the new one, and from now on, all login and security emails will go to that address. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.